You invest, you trade, but somehow you're still not making money in the stock market. Why is that? It's not just about picking the right stocks, it's about your habits. And if you don't fix them, you'll stay stuck while others build wealth. In this video, I'm breaking down the worst stock market habits that are keeping you poor. If you're serious about making money, watch till the end because chances are you're making at least one of these mistakes. Habit 1. Chasing hot tips instead of doing research. Let's be honest. How many times have you bought a stock just because someone on WhatsApp, Telegram or YouTube said that it was going to the moon? Most people don't research before investing. They just follow what others are doing hoping to get rich quick. But here's the truth. By the time you hear about a hot stock, it's already too late. The smart money got in early and you are just exit liquidity. Instead of chasing tips, learn to analyze stocks yourself. Understand fundamentals, technicals and market trends before putting your hard-earned money in. Habit 2. Panic selling every time the market drops. The stock market will go up and it will go down. That's normal. But panic selling during every small crash, that's how you guarantee losses. Markets move in cycles. The biggest mistake people make is selling out of fear when they should be buying more. Look at history. Every crash has eventually led to a recovery. But if you panic sell, you miss out on the rebound. The best investors know one thing. Time in the market beats timing the market. Stay invested, think long term and trust the process. Habit 3. Trying to get rich quick. Let's get one thing straight. The stock market is not a casino. If you're looking for quick money, you're already setting yourself up to fail. Most people lose money because they want overnight profits. They overtrade, take excessive risks, or bet everything on one stock. And guess what? It almost always ends badly. Wealth in the stock market is built through consistency, patience, and discipline. Stop looking for shortcuts and focus on long-term investing. Habit 4. Not having a proper risk management strategy. Would you drive a car without brakes? No, right? Then why are you investing without a risk management strategy? Most beginners go all in on one single stock, thinking they found the next big thing. But if that stock crashes, your entire portfolio is wiped out. Here's what you should do instead. Diversify. Never put all your money into one stock. Use stop loss orders. Limit your downside risk. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Smart investors protect their money first, then focus on making profits. Habit 5. Checking your portfolio every single day. Are you checking your stocks every 10 minutes? Refreshing your portfolio every time the market moves? This is a toxic habit. It will destroy your mental peace and your money. Short-term market movements don't matter in long-term investing. Obsessing over them leads to impulsive decisions and unnecessary panic. Instead, set a routine. Check your portfolio once a week or even once a month. Trust your investments and let them grow. Habit 6. Not investing enough money. Saving money is great, but if you're not investing it, inflation is eating away your wealth. A lot of people say, I'll start investing when I have more money. But the truth is, you will never have enough money to start unless you start today. Even if it's just 500 or 1000 rupees per month, start now. Compounding works best when you give it time. Habit 7. Ignoring financial education. The best investors never stop learning. If you're blindly buying and selling without understanding how the market works, you're gambling, not investing. Spend time learning about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, portfolio management, and economic trends. The more you understand, the better your decisions will be. Because in the stock market, knowledge is the real power. The stock market is one of the best wealth building tools in the world, but only if you use it the right way. Stop chasing tips, control your emotions, manage risk, and focus on learning. Which of these bad habits have you been guilty of? Comment below, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more financial advice.